Hello, my name is Dr. Ryan Harrison. I'm an orthopedic trauma surgeon and the Vice Chair for Quality in the Department of Orthopedic Surgery here at The Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center. I want to talk with you about planning to leave the hospital after your surgery. We believe that home is the safest and best place to recover. Patients who go home after surgery are able to move more naturally, sleep better, and have a lower risk of infection and other post-surgery problems. These patients also have a decreased risk of having to return to the hospital. And while some patients may benefit from a short stay at a skilled nursing facility, being at home in your own space supports your comfort and helps you become independent more quickly. Planning for your safe return home starts before your surgery. It is important to make sure you have some help at home from a family member, a friend, or a neighbor. You may also have some support from home health services such as visiting nurse or physical therapist. You may not need someone to be with you 24 hours per day. Before you come to the hospital for surgery, take some time to make sure pathways in your home are clear. Remove any tripping hazards or clutter, including things like shoes, bags, and rugs. Set up a comfortable space where you can rest. The first floor of your home is best. This may mean setting up a temporary space while you recover. Arrange for a family member or friend to drive you home from the hospital. We understand that going home after surgery can be scary, but we will make sure a safe discharge plan is in place before you're approved to leave the hospital. Our expert team of therapists and discharge planners will work with you while you are in the hospital to help you move around safely. They will make sure that you can get in and out of bed and walk in the hallway. They will also make sure you can get up and down a few stairs. Your surgery may require that you use equipment such as a walker, crutches, or cane to help you keep your safety and balance. We may also recommend other equipment such as a raised shower chair or a reacher to help you grab objects off the floor. If you need any of these items, we will make sure you get them before you leave the hospital. If you will need help from nurses or physical or occupational therapists at home or at an outpatient care center, we will help to arrange that before you leave the hospital. Pain control is another important thing to manage after your surgery. We'll give you instructions on how to take the medications that we prescribe you. It's important to keep ahead of your pain. Don't wait until you're actively in pain to start taking your pain medications. If you have concerns about taking narcotics or you're interested in an alternative option, discuss this with your care team before surgery. If you have questions or issues with your discharge home planning, please contact your surgeon's office before your surgery. Our goal is to help you feel safe and supported as you prepare to recover at home. After you leave the hospital, our orthopedic surgery team is available to you 24 hours a day, every day of the year. Call the number on your discharge paperwork if you have questions or concerns. We can often work through any concern that you may have by phone. We are here to make your recovery as easy as possible.